Hello, everyone. I wanted to talk about designs today and specific designs in presentations. We have an enormous amount of content in our design studio, and the design studio, once you click the little paintbrush on the left-hand side, which is the design studio, and you choose to create a design, it will take you to our We Brand website. So this is what it looks like. Let's click Create Design. And I'm going to go into print designs today just to show you how to create presentations. So when you get over to the We Brand Design Studio, you'll see there are things on the left-hand side, which is your navigation bar, and this is your listings. So on the left, you can see listing presentation. And let me just show you, the buyer presentation is in here as well. So you can choose buyer presentation. So let's just jump over to the listing presentation and give yourself a little bit of time to get used to the editor in here. It is similar to other things. However, because it's a presentation and you can pick and choose any of your pages, you just want to get used to the fact that you choose the pages and edit them before you download for print. So pick any of these. These are all the templates. They're basically the same. A couple of different features with the photos and things that the look and feel of it. Basically, the presentations are the same. So let me just use this one, and then it will open that up for us. Once that opens up, you'll see the template. On the left-hand side is your navigation bar for all of the items that are inside the presentation. On the right-hand side over here are all the pages that you can have in your presentation. And you notice this one is laid out in landscape, I believe. That's what it looks like over there on the navigation bar. You check on your templates. If you want to look at the template itself, all the templates are here that you can add other pages to, or fill in some things if you like certain pages. So you can use the templates there. Otherwise, there's images, and you have you can add an image from any of your Facebook pages, Google Drive, Dropbox, or your computer. You can use the workspace images, which are different images, stock images that the company has provided to us. We have miscellaneous and holidays, house interiors. I use a lot of these with the house interiors inside the presentation. Also, app images, that's for your mobile app. What does that look like? Lifestyle at home and lifestyle activities, and neighborhoods. Sometimes the neighborhoods, you want to highlight something that looks and feels like what you're accustomed to in your environment, in the area that you work in. All right, so there's a lot of images in here that you can swap out. You'll see on the side here, there's also text. I'm sorry, let me go back to images. Images, you have my assets here. So you can upload your own profile, your professional photo. And then let's go on over to text. So with text, you have banners. Again, there's a lot of information, a lot of good content in here that you can pick and choose. You can have things in your workspace. And then also, if you've uploaded certain things, or this is all your own personal content, it's all here, as long as it's pulling from the data that you had inside our system. There's other logos, so you can add the logos of the market centers that you're working in. There's elements, different stock elements, little fun things that you can post in there. And then also, if you wanted to utilize the listings that are in the KWLS for the comparative market analysis inside the listing presentation, you can do that as well. So if you wanted to look up a house, you can actually find a house that is listed in the MLS. And here it is. I can just select that. And all of the photos and the listing details will pop in, and you can add them to your listing in the appropriate pages. I'm sorry, add them to your presentation. Okay, you see all those photos just popped in there. So here's the listing presentation, and you can navigate through each of the pages on the right-hand side. All right, the instructions right there on page 2, and those are not the instructions that you're going to print. Those are actually just for you. Slide the toolbar down, and you can customize any of these pages. Here's where you can use comparable properties. So literally you can swap out the photos. So if I go down to the KWLS and I want to swap out the photo of this particular property, I just use the replacement and boom, there I go. And anything else I want to put in the content for the text and summary for that comparable property, I can do that too. I hope this is of interest to you and you can use your presentations to the best of your ability when you're going out on listing presentations and listing appointments, and utilize the really great tools that are in here. There's a lot of content and it's all right here. It's all done for you. All you do is just pop it in and you could download it. I would suggest downloading it as a PDF for printing, and then you can use it over and over and over again. So hopefully this helps set you in a position where you can gain that seller's trust and earn that business. Have a great day.